If you've ever watched an HGTV show and thought, wow, remodeling looks fun, fast, and affordable.
Oh my.
We're here to ruin that fantasy for you.
And it's not because we're grumpy contractors. It's because we actually do this every single day, right here on Long Island. And HGTV gets a lot wrong.
Today, we're breaking down the biggest myths that HGTV teaches homeowners and what really happens when you remodel a home in the real world. Let's dive right in.
Myth number 1. You can renovate an entire house in 3 weeks.
It takes 3 weeks just to get a permit approved here in Nassau County on Long Island. And that's only if the moon is aligned with Venus and the building department had their coffee.
We're not saying things can't move fast, but HGTV timelines are like Marvel movies. They're fun to watch, but they're not based in reality.
Real timelines involve inspections, supply lead times, structural engineering, and the fact that your 1952 ranch might have electrical that looks like it was installed by a magician, not an electrician.
So no, your major renovation will not be done in time for Aunt Sue's birthday party. We promise.
Myth number 2. You can renovate half your home with a $20,000 budget.
Maybe if we lived on Mars.
You're a funny guy.
But here on the North Shore of Long Island, I don't think so.
Even Mars would be expensive to ship materials.
That's what I'm saying.
A bathroom alone could be $40,000 to $70,000 depending on finishes. A kitchen, $80,000 to $200,000. A full renovation, that's 6 figures minimum.
HGTV shows people getting unbelievable deals because a lot of labor is donated, materials are sponsored, and the show actually pays for things behind the scenes.
Basically, the budgets are as real as a laugh track on a sitcom.
So if your budget expectations are built on HGTV numbers, we're definitely going to have a gentle one, but a conversation.
Myth number 3. The only surprise during a renovation is a cute moment where the couple cries and hugs.
No. Real surprises are rot behind your siding, termites eating a load-bearing beam, a plumbing vent going through the location that your architect drew your shower, knob and tube wiring from 1941, or the classic, who closed these walls without insulation?
HGTV makes it look like surprises happen once per episode. In the real world, surprises happen pretty much every time you open up a wall.
Good contractors plan for that. Bad ones pretend it's not going to happen until it does.
Myth number 4. The made-for-TV drama. You ever notice how HGTV always creates a dramatic moment where the contractor walks in and says, "We have a big problem"?
Yeah. And half the time, the problem is something that most good contractors would have noticed from day one.
In real life, drama is not good for your project. What is good is project management, communication, and having a plan before day one.
No cliffhangers, no dramatic commercial breaks, just actual work.
And lastly, myth number 5. You can redesign your home in 48 hours with 0 structural implications.
Meanwhile, in the real world, that open concept is holding up your second floor.
And that Pinterest bathroom you love, if your plumbing stack is on the opposite wall, it just doubled the cost.
Good design is absolutely possible. Beautiful spaces are absolutely possible. But on Long Island, real building codes and real budgets, they take work.
To be clear, we are not anti-HGTV. Truly, it gets people excited about improving their homes.
But when expectations are based on TV magic, you set yourself up for disappointment and conflict with your contractor. So if you want the truth about renovating on Long Island, timelines, budgets, what can go wrong, and how to avoid the headaches,
hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and check out our other videos we have on residential construction. We're here to educate you, protect you, and help you build a home you actually love. We'll see you next time.